There are two ways I replace a screen on J3 2016. One of them is to remove everything, screws, housing, motherboard and everything. And the other way is quite easy and quick, which is to just remove the broken screen and put a new one. And this is the one I'll be showing it to you today, so stay tuned. Hello everybody, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. I have a J3 16, display is damaged. So today I'll show you how I replace LCD on J316. First, remove this, then this comes off. Remove the plug. What I can do is I can just remove the screen from this and I can put a new one. So what I can just do is I can pry it open slowly. Okay, this looks like it's already been changed before, so I don't have to do too much to this. See that? This comes off easily, but the inside is glued pretty badly. I'm gonna do it on the newspaper so that I don't scatter all these glasses. See, this part came off. If I had warmed it up a little bit, it would easily come off. See, it's quite clean. The screen that I have is not a service pack, so it's a LCD. I think this is AMOLED since it doesn't have the LED. J316. So this is the one that I have. This is a LCD and it's quite thicker than the original one. So sometimes it's quite difficult to put it on. But as you see, this phone is so cheap and nobody wants to waste money on this phone. So I'm gonna try and put this Chinese one, which is gonna be a headache for me to put on. So let's put a battery in and see if it works or not. If it works, I'm gonna put this one on. Not worry about it. Okay, seems like this is working fine. Let me put this aside. So I think, yeah, this is an easy way to do this instead of removing everything out of it. And it's gonna be quick as well. I don't have to worry about breaking other things and stuff. It's better to clean this. So yeah, this is done. Need the home button. Forgot to remove the home button from this. Glasses everywhere. So once everything is cleaned and